To verify a payment method on your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app and tapping your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. From there, select Payment and Shipping, and if prompted, sign in with your Apple ID password. You'll see your list of payment methods. Tap the one you want to verify. If it requires verification, a message will prompt you to complete the process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve entering your card details, billing address, or verification code sent by your bank. If the payment method cannot be verified automatically, you might need to contact your bank or card issuer for assistance. After completing the steps, return to the Payment and Shipping section to confirm that the payment method is now listed without any errors or warnings. This process ensures that your payment method is ready for purchases or subscriptions through Apple services.